Hey everyone, today I'll be showing off my vibe-coded hackathon submission called Flash Congress. Flash Congress is a web app that uses AI agents based on Gemini 2.5 Flash to simulate legislative sessions of US Congress. As you can see, we can propose some sample piece of legislation, enter in a bill title, a bill summary, but for the purposes of this demo, I'll just use this load draft bill button, which will load in some sample bill info, but you can enter in these fields whatever you actually want. Right? So then we press the call the vote button, and we're taken over to this voting page where we start off in the House of Representatives. We have this cool live view of all of the agents acting as representatives and voting, and all of these agents represent actual members of US Congress that are stored in this TypeScript configuration with descriptions of each member of Congress, like their name, party, descriptions of their positions, and stuff like that. My favorite part of this UI is this hemicycle layout that Gemini 3.0 came up with. I asked it to create like a parliamentary-like layout, and it came up with this, in like a minute, which was super impressive. And on the right side, we also have a live view of all of the votes coming in, which is currently in batches of 2 because I'm not trying to get rate limited. But yeah, this part can take a bit, so I'll speed up the video. Okay, now the Senate is almost done voting, and yeah, they just finished, so we should be taken to the final page over here, yep, where we can see that the vote ended up failing in the House. So yeah, this bill ended up failing. But yeah, in this page we can see an overview of all of the votes. We can also scroll down to see the voting details for each member of Congress. And yeah, that's my hackathon submission. I had a bunch of fun using Google's AI Studio, and thanks for watching.